Hello, join me and Matthew today for another window cleaners day in the life vlog. We've got 19 cleans, 2 of them are in the village I live, Parson Drove. 1 is in Wisbech St Mary, and then the rest, they're all in a place called Levington. It's a local day for us, so we get on. Okay, it's up past 12. Me and Matthew stopped for lunch at Asda, so we've had our pack up, and yeah, what have we got? We've got 8 cleans left to do of the day, so we've done 11. We've also had a quote, which is going to be a one-off clean, but it'll also include a gutter clear. So Matthew did the quote for that one, where there's 2 houses side by side. Matthew cleans one, I clean the other, but the guy come out and spoke to me, so Matthew finished his earlier, so I got him to do the quote, which he did. And then while we've been cleaning some other windows, Matthew was cleaning one property, I was cleaning another one, and at the same time both of us had a walk up. So Matthew gave a card out for someone to get in touch, and I went across the road and gave a quote for a lady because she was just about to leave. But yeah, I guess as the weather's getting better, looks like more customers are coming out. But they always sort of like see you and grab you, don't they? So I suppose that's another good thing about a sign written van, really. But I'm sure they've seen me come around plenty of times before. But that's that done. So we're going to move on, get these cleans done now. We've had our pack up. This next one, we're going to park the van in one spot, and we've got 3 big houses to do, all close to each other, which is nice. It takes about an hour normally. My 35-foot pole comes out to play here to get some Velux windows. There's plenty of them, so my arms are going to ache. And yeah, all's good. So see how we get on. That's us done, back home just before 4 p.m. and we've got 18 cleans done out of the 19. We've just gone to one of them and they're not in, so everywhere's locked up. It's a small job, so we'll be doing it on tomorrow's clean, which is in the village where I live, and it's just very close by to that anyway. It's a busy day tomorrow. I've got 23 cleans, so it's a bit of pressure on there, but we'll see. And then after that, it's Saturday and the window cleaning expo. So if you're going down there, hopefully I'll bump into you. I know me and some others from the lives planning to meet up for breakfast, so looking forward to that. Anyway, all done. You can see the buffalo come off because the sun decided to come out. I think it come out about just before 2 o'clock, and it stayed out as well, so Peter weren't like that all day. But anyway, job done. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, all the good stuff. It helps me out. YouTube somewhere will put a video up on what it thinks for you is best to watch next. So see you on the next one. Stay safe.